Yo, what's up everybody? Today we're going to be back with another video completely all about the LCI M340 carbon fiber diffuser. And man, does this thing look absolutely sexy. This diffuser is sold already. Someone did buy it on our website, which you can also buy, link down below. You can get this beautiful thing right now on the website. But before you buy it, I'm sure you want to know some of the details about it. So let me go ahead and break it down. So obviously this is carbon fiber. It is going to be dry carbon fiber. As you can see the back, it is amazing quality. All the clips align and everything. These are going to be the rear side splitters that you'll put that also go under the exhaust tips as well. I do recommend getting quad tips with this diffuser if you are gonna get it, because we realistically do need it for the end build, which again, lucky for you, we do have that on the website as well. I'll go ahead and get some close shots of the carbon fiber here, just so you guys can see what the quality is looking like on these things, because honestly, it doesn't get much better than this. Now, as well as the carbon fiber one, we do also have a gloss black version. As you can see, it is pretty much the same thing except it is gloss black. It does come with the, I have it back there, the side rear splitters as well. And they're both listed on the website. You can see all the information on them on the website. Now, the customer that bought this is gonna come in for install this Sunday, so I'm gonna be making a separate video of the installation of this thing. So if you want to see that video, go ahead and subscribe and keep tuned to see how we install one of these. But basically, just to run it down with you guys really quick, to put a diffuser on the LCI M340s, you need to take the bumper off. The rear bumper has to come off. So once you have the bumper off, you put it somewhere safe, like something like this, or you can even put it on like a carpet floor, just something that's not going to scratch up any part of the bumper. But you're going to want to unclip the OEM bumper. There is going to be some sensors like in the two corners that you do need to take out. So you're going to take out those sensors off your OEM to then put into the new one. So once you take off your old diffuser from your bumper, you're going to start putting this one in. And you want to be very careful. Obviously it's carbon fiber, you don't want to break anything. And you want to make sure you pop in each one of the clips all along the diffuser. It is a very big thing, so you want to take your time, you know, really just apply pressure. You don't want to break anything, so you got to be careful. Some clips you need to check out, make sure fit in the right holes. You got to make sure you're aligning it properly, otherwise it just won't look good. Personally, I do recommend you take this to get installed by a professional. If you want to bring it over to our warehouse where we can install it for you, then, you know, you're more than welcome to. But I do recommend professional installation if you do buy this diffuser. But to basically wrap up the installation process, you still want to wire this brake light so it actually works. So as you can see, there's gonna be 3 wires here. One red, one black, and one yellow. If it'll focus. Okay. But there are three wires there. It's kind of hard to explain where you have to put those right now. So I'll just have to show you in the install video on whenever I get it posted up. But just stay tuned if you really want to know. But you're gonna have to wire those to basically the left tail light. But then once that's wired up, you get everything cleaned up and you put the bumper back on the car and it should be good to go. Obviously quad tips are a whole different thing, but that is how you install the diffuser. I'm very, very excited to see how this one's gonna go. If you guys got any questions about this diffuser or basically any other part we might have to offer, then you can go ahead and DM us on our Instagram at EliteCarbonLA. And if you wanna buy this diffuser or maybe you see something else, we have a bunch of parts available. You can go ahead and check out the website, EliteCarbonLA.com. Purchase whatever you'd like, shipped from Los Angeles straight to your doorstep.